This mod upgrades GTA Vice City Next Gen Edition with high quality remastered textures while keeping the original style. Check my video description for this mod link. Check the manual download option and check the slow download option and it will start downloading. After download done, check this folder icon. Right click on the downloaded file and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Open the reworked textures. Open the maps.rar and now just close stuff here and right click on the game on the desktop and select open file location. Navigate to PC and open the data folder. Back up your maps folder and now you can just drag and drop this mod file inside here. Now you can just close stuff here and launch the game. After installing this mod, you can see sharper textures across the entire map, including improved ads, signs, interiors, and terrain, all while keeping the original Vice City style. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.